for this appetizer, it's called Cquilao Pacifico. Since I'm from the Philippines, we have this thing called kilawin. So it's like a ceviche kind, but this is different from the ceviche.
Wow.
Kanpachi is marinated with cucumber aguachile. And we have some habaneros, serranos, cucumbers, and a lot of limes.
And it had this nice tart citrus bites, and it had this kick, this acid kick, which lingered just long enough, but it wasn't too overpowering. And then especially with the wine pairing, it just blended together nicely.
I'll introduce you our second dish, which is the Poseidon's Cradle. So the story behind Poseidon's Cradle is we have a deconstructed paella rice. So since Poseidon is the god of the sea, we have different seafoods topped on the cradle. So we have the shrimps, mussels, scallops, and clams.
The paella was overall very well incorporated. All the flavors were blending. The seafood was cooked on point.
I mean, who doesn't want a oozy-goozy egg yolk all over your rice, and your seafood was cooked perfectly, and all the sauces in that dish worked so well with one another.
And then for our dessert, it's the grand finale. So we have a blood orange olive oil cake with blood orange supremes, and we have some brown butter ice cream.
It was very creative in terms of the way it played with the savory elements, and the sort of the seasonal citrus that we have going on right now. It was bright, yet it wasn't sweet. It had a nice savory element going. That texture of the crunchy meringue that she had, and the soft olive oil cake.
Did a pretty good job in trying to incorporate the background, their heritage, the culture into this experience for us.
And I hope you guys enjoy it.